Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel IQ Cars 2.0. Today we're diving into the rugged and powerful 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45. If you're into adventure, off-roading, and legendary durability, stick around because this is a beast you won't want to miss. Car details. First off, let's talk about the specs. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45 is built for the ultimate off-road experience. Powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, it cranks out an impressive 415 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're scaling mountains or navigating through mud, this truck's got the power and precision to take you anywhere. Exterior. On the outside, this FJ45 is a throwback to its classic roots. Its boxy, robust shape screams durability. The bold front grille, combined with LED headlights and muscular fenders, makes it impossible to ignore on the road or trail. Add in massive 18-inch off-road tires, and this Land Cruiser is clearly made for tough environments. Interior. Inside, Toyota blends toughness with sophistication. You get premium leather upholstery, a high-tech infotainment system with a 12-inch touchscreen, and intuitive controls. Whether you're in the driver's seat or taking a break in the spacious cabin, it's a comfortable space even during long drives. Comfort level. Comfort is surprisingly high for a vehicle built for adventure. The FJ45 comes with heated and ventilated seats, and its suspension system makes even rough terrains feel smooth. Off-road doesn't mean sacrificing luxury. The ride quality is excellent, whether on dirt roads or highways. Performance. When it comes to performance, the FJ45 excels. The off-road suspension is fully capable of handling rocky landscapes, while the intelligent 4WD system ensures you're always in control. Whether you're going up steep hills or cruising through mud, this vehicle is designed to make it look easy. Conclusion. All in all, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45 is the perfect mix of rugged power and modern luxury. It's not just an off-road vehicle, it's a statement. If you're someone who loves to explore the great outdoors but still wants comfort and reliability, the FJ45 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on what you think of the FJ45.